Yes, children. Now this question number 3 says, show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at 90 degree, then it is a rhombus. We have to show that if there is a quadrilateral given in which diagonals are bisecting each other at 90 degree, then it will be a rhombus. We have two different options. In two different quadrilaterals, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. One is rhombus and the other one is square. In square and rhombus, the only difference is that in square the diagonals are
equal. Ma'am, rhombus
equal,
in
but
diagonal.
in rhombus diagonals are not equal. Getting my point? So had the question been, show that if the equal diagonals bisect each other, then it would have been a square, because equal diagonal word is not there. So we shall be showing it like a rhombus. And since we have to show that it's a rhombus, we would draw the figure like a rhombus only. The best way to draw a rhombus is draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. Mark its midpoint. Its midpoint is marked. Through the midpoint, draw another line which divides it into further two equal parts. Okay? So that it should be the midpoint of both these lines. Alright, beta. Then you join them. It will be a perfect rhombus if you go this way. So Abhita, I'm joining like this only. If you use scale and do nicely, it will be a perfect rhombus. Okay. So let us name it as A, B, C, D. We are given A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral in which diagonals bisect each other. Now, since diagonals are bisecting each other, that means what we have? Two equal parts. This is 90 degree. And what is the relation between OA and OC, bete?
Ma'am, they are equal.
They are equal because diagonals are bisecting each other. How about OB and OD?
Ma'am, they are also equal.
They are also equal. Now, to show that it is a rhombus, how do we show that a quadrilateral is a rhombus? What is the traditional definition? What is the traditional definition of a rhombus? A quadrilateral in which all four sides are
equal.
equal. All four sides are equal. So if we need to show that this ABCD in which diagonals are bisecting each other at 90 degrees a rhombus, it will be enough for us to show that the four different sides are dash.
Equal.
Four sides are equal. And children, the question is going to be very easy. You just have to see, take care of two triangles, two adjacent triangles. Let us take care of these two triangles. Now, in these two triangles, we have in triangle AOB and triangle, this one, COB. Do we have OA equal OC?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are given diagonals bisect each other, right? Do we have OB equal OB? Common?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about angle AOB and angle COB?
90.
90.
Each 90? We are given that diagonals are 90 degrees. So by side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Are these two triangles congruent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The two triangles are congruent. And if the two triangles are congruent by CPCT, do we get that AB is equal to BC?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
G, our target is to show that all four sides are equal. What I have shown just now, that these two are equal. By proving the triangles to be congruent. Now, likewise, I can prove these two triangles to be congruent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This 90, OC common, and OB is equal to OD. So again, these two triangles are going to be congruent, beta. Hashtags.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
if hashtags are congruent, what is the conclusion? That
BC equals
Both
to
the triangles are
BC
equal.
to DC.
sides are equal. CPCT. Bolo beta.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
earlier we showed that this one is equal to this. AC, AB is equal to BC. Now we have shown that BC is equal to CD. That is, we initially showed some A is equal to B. मान लीजिए ये small a था, ये B था. A is equal to B. Now we are showing that B is equal to C. So what is the conclusion? Will all three be equal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is the only side left. Can you guess which two triangles next we should be proving to be congruent? We want AD in picture now. So AD should be proved congruent to what?
DC.
Either this one or this one. So one triangle is to be taken as AOD. Another one, we can take triangle AOB.
AOB.
AO.
Now, if I show that these two triangles are congruent, which sides will be coming equal?
AD and
AD and
AB.
AD and AB.
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 So now we are getting that A is equal to some D. Are you with me, children?
so ma'am
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the
A
equal.
is equal to B.
All the four sides are equal.
When I'm showing B is equal to C, you may show C equal D or you can show A equal to D also. So in turn, all of them are what?
Equal.
Equal.
Turn, all the sides are equal. And when all the sides are equal, what does it become?
Rhombus.
Rhombus.
Right? Beta, we have taken three different pairs of triangles. Tick marks, hashtags, and star marks. We are not going to write these reasons all the time. After writing it one time, we can say similarly. You know na this sign is similarly?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can
Yes, ma'am.
triangles are similar or congruent, so these two sides are equal. Likewise, we can prove this question. So are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will be just giving you the proper explanation of it. We will be writing it down. Let us just be okay with the. Any doubt here? Any doubt here?
Ma'am, in
No,
last
ma'am.
equation, ma'am, you have written something wrong. Ma'am, angle AOB
Yes,
equals
ma'am.
to angle.
Ma'am,
Here, here, C is missing. C is missing. Okay. Yes, Mayank.